name's Glenn Vickery and welcome to my YouTube channel, Kiwi Bushcraft and Survival. And today we're going to go into the unboxing of the CED Brass Tornado. Basically it is a wet tumbler that uses stainless steel pins to clean your dirty brass. Okay, something that's really important, your brass must be cleaned if you're reloading. Alright, so let's get straight into the into this. Actually, what we'll do is we'll just quickly read what's on the on here. Okay, so clean soiled brass to new, or clean dirty brass to new, like condition. Okay, the most advanced wet rotary tumbler ever. Package includes CED Brass Tornado rotary tumbler, 3.5 litre drum, okay, the acrylic drum there, filter cap, 3.5 pounds of stainless steel pin media, which is about just over 1.5 kgs, 4 ounces of sample, or 4 ounce sample of Lyman Tornado Sonic Cleaning Solution, sample of Lemmy Shine Original Booster, Instructional DVD and Quick Start Manual, 2-year CED warranty. Okay, so let's have a look at what we got. By the way, at some stage I'll do a video on knife sharpening as well, but that's for another day. Okay, pretty solid cardboard box by the looks of it. We've got here. Probably a cleverer way of doing it. Okay, so look what we got here. Okay, so here's our see-through acrylic tumbler, and the good thing about this is it's nice and solid, okay, and it's also see-through. Alright, I've left a little bit of, looks like the tape still on it, which is not a biggie. Okay, same with on this side here, looks like it all needs peeling off, but that's not a biggie, some of it. Okay, have a look. Okay, to undo this part, we just turn it that way and slide this out. Alright. It's all stainless steel, and that there comes off. Okay, it's got a strong smell of glue on there. This here obviously goes, this O-ring obviously goes onto here. Get that on. sure why that keeps jumping up. It's no good, is it? Try this other one. Here we go. No, that's no good either, is it? Okay, so that's a bit weird how that comes off. Never mind, I'll sort that out later. Might need to put a bit of glue on it or something. Alright, so let's leave all that in there for now, and we'll put this back on. Even. Right. Okay, what am I doing wrong here? I have no idea what I'm doing wrong. Okay. That is really weird, isn't it? Maybe it must have one of these things here on it to close. But I wouldn't think so, because okay, this is really annoying. Alright, I'm going to come back to that. That's going to just piss me off. Okay, let's move on. Oh, this is very heavy. Okay. Okay, when you're doing this, just make sure you don't cut the power cord. Apparently these come in, I believe, 110 volts, or which will be for places like the United States, okay, and 240 volt, which will be places like here in New Zealand, okay. So you shouldn't have to worry too much about that, because when they do the importing or whatever, they should make sure they have the right ones. Let's see if we can find something on here about that though. It should say, yeah, voltage 220 volt. So over here in New Zealand it's 220 to 240 volts, so that's the correct one. Okay, what have we got here? Solid unit. Alright, it's obviously going to last a long time. Good display panel, solidly made. Okay, we've got here. I'll cover all these things when I actually go through it proper, but the basic one is the timer. The timer does, I believe, 15-minute intervals up to the 3-hour interval, so you can set it. The direction is either going forward or reverse, and that will tell you whether you, on these lights here, forward or reverse, which way it's going. Speed, I believe, is 5 to 140 RPMs, I think it is. So yeah, you can increase or decrease the speed alarm. It'll show the alarm button light here if you have the alarm, to let you know that it's completed the cycle, the full cycle, or if you don't want the alarm. Memory, you can set your favourite I don't know, cleaning cycle, and then you've got the start button to actually start the actual cycle, or pause. You can pause the cycle at any stage, and then you've got the on-off switch, okay, and it's set to off at the moment. Okay, what else have we got? Reasonably solid wheels here, okay, and a decent belt. Right, and the other wheels here. Right. Very good. Right, what else we got in here? Let's have a look. Okay. Alright, what do we got here? Have a look. Decent bubble wrap. Okay. This looks like the filter, okay, for when you clean out the dirty water, okay. And let's open this up. Okay. Alright, so this is the filter here. It's got some metal mesh in there, okay, so that obviously the stainless steel pins don't fall out through that, but the water will. Okay, so we'll put that to the side. The DVD, okay, instructional DVD. Okay, there is actually instructional thing on YouTube. Okay, so you don't need that. And if I I'll put that link onto the video. Turbosonic. Okay, it's got a Turbosonic here. Cartridge case solution. So obviously going to be putting that into the water to help the cleaning process. And here's a sample of Lemmy Shine. Okay, a sample of Lemmy Shine. So being over here in New Zealand, I'm not sure if they've got Lemmy Shine. So I might have to find some kind of alternative. Okay, 3.5 pounds of stainless steel pins. Okay, which is approximately just over 1.5 kgs, as I mentioned earlier. Okay, obviously you can buy more of this from the gun shops. Okay, it's not a problem. Okay, and last but not least, it is their register the CD brass tornado at www.cedhk.com/tornado within 30 days of purchase. Okay, and it's a basically a quick start guide. Alright, gives you the well, obviously a quick start guide, alright, as into how to use it and whatnot, get it up and running. Alright, and that's that. Okay, so that's basically the unboxing. I hope that that's helped. Obviously this part here, I'm going to have to maybe glue this in here, alright, with some super glue probably, alright. I think this O-ring here might be a spare one. I'm not sure. I'm presuming it's a spare because it was just sitting in there. And I'm going to have to figure out how to actually lock this. I don't know what I was doing wrong, but I wouldn't have thought it was that hard. But anyway, I'm obviously doing something wrong. Okay, anyway, thank you for coming. subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you on the next video where I'll actually have this in action. Okay, I'll probably clean some brass tomorrow. Alrighty, thank you very much for coming along. Cheers. Okay, welcome back. Just to finish off, okay, basically I figured it out. This piece here, you have to get the black O-ring onto this lid, okay, and what that will do is it'll just push it up just far enough that you can it'll just push it up far enough that when you put this bar through, okay, and it only goes through one side, and this side here it's there's nothing there, so you push it as far through as possible, have this about the middle of the lid, okay, and then you push it down and it'll just have enough pressure there to lock in place. Alright, I would say that you'll still need to maybe get a little bit of glue onto here, okay, onto the O-ring, just to glue it in place. I haven't done that yet, but looking at it, I think they haven't made it too long because it'll keep hitting the brass. So they've tried to, I can see why they've had to do that, okay. This is, a lot of these pieces here still have the plastic on it, okay, like this piece here. You can see that it comes off. Alright. But that's basically it, okay. It needs to be probably glued into place, I would say. Let's see when I pull that off. But that's how it's supposed to be, the ring on there. So you actually get 3 rings. You get this ring here, the black ring, O-ring for that one. You get the spare O-ring, okay, and on the filter it's also got another O-ring, okay. But I mean, O-rings are, you know, pretty easy to come by. But that seems to have fitted on properly now. But it seems pretty solid now. But I don't know. If it starts coming off, I might have to just glue it. I'll see how it goes. Might just need a bit of time on here like that. Okay. But it does have like plastic on here. So just, if you can find the edge of it, as I'm doing here. Okay. Alright, just find the plastic edging. Alright. And alright, pull that off, and it makes it look a lot tidier. Okay, some people might want to leave this on to have it more looking brand new and lasting a bit, looking a little bit better over time. But you may as well enjoy it while you've got it. Alright, I say. Okay, so hopefully that little bit there helped. And as I said, we'll get into the actual running of this over on the next video. Cheers.